In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a journal in Canva. Whether you're a seasoned Canva user or a beginner just stepping into the vibrant world of digital design, this guide will take you through the process quickly and efficiently, ensuring you create a personalized journal that's both functional and aesthetically pleasing. To begin, head over to Canva's website. Once you're there, you'll find yourself on the homepage where you're greeted by a world of design possibilities. In the search bar at the top of the page, type journal. This action will bring up a selection of journal templates, providing you with a variety of styles and themes to choose from. If you're not sure where to start, don't worry. Spend some time browsing through the template options. This is a great opportunity to find inspiration and figure out what appeals to your personal taste or suits the project you have in mind. Once you've browsed and pinpointed a template that resonates with you, it's time to make it your own. Click on Customize this template. This is where the real fun begins. Customizing a template in Canva is straightforward and user-friendly. The platform's design tools allow you to modify virtually any element, from colors and images to fonts and text layouts. As you dive into customizing your journal, feel free to experiment with different design aspects. Changing the color scheme can dramatically alter the mood of your journal, while swapping out images or graphics gives it a personal touch. Consider the purpose of your journal. Is it for personal reflections, productivity, or perhaps as a gift? Let that guide your customization choices. If you wish to make your journal truly reflective of your style, one of the most straightforward ways is by editing the text. Click on any text box within your template and start jotting down your thoughts, ideas, or headings. You can adjust the font style, size, and color to complement the overall design of your journal. This is a wonderful opportunity to infuse your personality or brand into the design, making it distinctively yours. Remember, Canva offers a variety of fonts and design elements, so there's plenty of room for creativity. And there you have it, your personalized journal ready to go. Once you're satisfied with your design, you can download your project and either print it out or use it digitally. The choice is yours. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Designing a journal in Canva is not only simple, but also a delightful creative process. With these steps, you're well on your way to creating beautiful journals tailored to your needs. Stay tuned for more design tips and tricks.